speaking of crazy twists and turns, man, because a lot of these cases have been having insane things come up and different things and people trying to, intertwine in this and say this and that. The YSL Rico case, something happened that caught the internet by storm. And it's that the defense attorney, yes, Young Thug's defense attorney, was arrested in the courtroom on gang-related charges. Think about that. You hired a defense attorney that's supposed to protect you relating to all this gang stuff, and she gets caught in a gang-related situation. That is the craziest twist I think I've ever heard. I don't know, in a courtroom. Not the craziest in a courtroom, because there's been a lot of crazy twists, but this is very up there. It's very high up there. I don't know who the hell Young Thug's hiring or what's going on, but let's go over the article. The YSL Rico trial has taken yet another odd turn as a defense attorney has just been arrested in the courtroom on gang-related charges. The Atlanta Journal-Constitution was on hand in the courtroom on February 16th when Nicole Fagan, Tanquarius Mender's attorney, was arrested and charged with participating in criminal street gang activity and criminal solicitation to commit the offense of tampering with evidence. She had previously been successful in getting his case severed from other defendants' pending cases. The charges, however, are not directly related to the YSL Rico trial. Rather, according to the outlet, Fagan was allegedly involved in an unrelated deadly shooting on the corner of Williams and Baker Streets in Atlanta back in December 2022. According to the charges, Fagan allegedly told one of the shooters to dispose of the gun they used in the murder and allegedly contacted another defendant about an active warrant for his arrest. Fagan was taken to processing in Gwinnett County and will eventually be transported to Fulton County Jail, which incidentally is where the other defendants, including Young Thug, are being held. Fans of the YSL Collective immediately began looking up Fagan's Instagram upon news of his arrest, with many commenting on posts that they thought were less than professional. Amongst the questionable posts include a meme featuring Fagan where she's bending down and squinting with the caption, "When opposing counsel whips out video surveillance of her client and you try to act like you can't tell who it is." Another post featured Fagan sitting on the floor with racks of dollar bills arranged, spelling the word broken. Yet another post featured Fagan holding a gun, wearing a spaghetti-strapped black dress with the caption, if your man's name holds weight, you can't just be out here acting like a regular bitch," with the 100 emoji. Yeah, she is... Like, if you go over her Instagram page, she is so unprofessional. Like, I would never in a million years hire somebody like that to be my lawyer. I don't want my lawyer knowing about slang. I don't want my lawyer rapping to rap songs. I don't want my lawyer dancing to TikTok videos. I don't want my lawyer doing nothing. I want him to be boring and just on my case and not in the public eye. That's what you expect of lawyers. You don't expect them making memes. Like, she copied the 50 Cent photo where he wrote the broken cash. She wrote the same thing. She's over here rapping a slime this and slime that, why I sell this, why I sell that. She's got photos of guns and shit all over the place. And yeah, it's insane. For somebody that's a lawyer, a defense attorney, that is the most unprofessional way to be a defense attorney. Like, I get it. Use social media to promote yourself. Okay. But you can do that in a professional way. The way she's doing it is just ridiculous. I mean, ridiculous. I would never in a million years hire a defense attorney that has anything remotely like that on her social medias. I get it. We're in a different era. People my age, I'm 28, around my age, they're more socially inclined with social media. They're more active on social media. They like to express themselves. I get that. But certain professions, you want to stay off social media. You don't want to express yourself because it's going to look bad for you. At least anybody with common sense wouldn't hire you. I would never in a million years, if you're looking over a page, never in a million years hire. Super unprofessional. And I hope this teaches her a lesson. I don't know what's going to happen to her, her whole case or what she's doing out, but yeah, it's horrible. So we'll keep our eye on this, but it was a crazy twist, man. Very crazy twist in this whole thing.